me again. Thought I'd do something a little different today. I have found my old time capsule. Now I thought this was done in 97, but I left myself a note on the front that says it was done in February 1995. So I think 25 years is a good time to open it now. So let's crack it open. Okay, so here it is. It's tied up with string, so let's get the string off first. So we're at this point, time capsule February 1905, and my address where I used to live at the time. Right, what have we in here? Oh my word. Right, first off, it's a bit mouldy, but the contents are quite dry. So let's have a look. This time capsule was put here by Jeremy on the 12th of February 1995, in the hope that someone way into the future will find it and learn about him and his interests and about the way we used to live in the 1990s. Hope this box is in good condition, Jeremy. Brilliant. Don't know how long I expected it to last, but obviously some future civilization was to find it. Right, so we have more individually wrapped stuff. So let's try this. Oh, the good old newspaper. What we were reading? We were reading the Sunday Express. Okay. So, what was the headlines? Okay. Brilliant. Cool. I'll have a read of that later. Next thing, we have the things that were rattling around were obviously coins that, well, we still have in circulation 25 years on. And we have another mystery package. Ooh. Ooh. We have yet another newspaper. This one is from the Lincolnshire Echo from the 3rd of February 1995. So it's just the front page. Britain's first ever spacewalker. Nice. And we also have, oh my word. So, this looks interesting. February 1995, this is a floor plan of, not to scale, floor plan of the house I live in. And oh my word, not to scale again, that is the map of our house. Why would I put one of those in? I have no idea. I think I wanted to bury this in the garden, just in case it got developed. Mum and me. Brilliant. That's brilliant. Love it. Mum and me. Brilliant. Cool. So there's a letter here. There is a letter. Okay, and yeah, it details, I'll have a read of it later, but it looks like I'm just detailing everything. Oh my word, it goes on and on and on. Goodbye, Jeremy Whitworth. Please listen to the tape. I've included the time so it may be interesting. It may not, but please listen to it. It is just my voice on it describing various things. And also it has taped news recordings from today and various other radio programs which may be of interest. A tape. Right. And sure enough, there is a tape. How do I get into that? How do I get to that tape? Let's have a look. how do I get to that tape? There we go. There we go. Again, it's wrapped really well. I think I did some pretty good wrapping. Come on. Let's try and jammy it out. More coins. Don't think you're going to get rich on... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It looks like we've got a bit of water damage here. Recording made Sunday the 12th of February 95. Please play audio cassette. Do you know, I think that's in pretty good nick. So here we have the cassette tape from the time capsule. I made it 25 years ago, and you know, I think it's going to be all right. The case had quite a bit of water damage or mould on it, but I think the actual cassette isn't too bad. So dug out my old cassette player. Okay, and let's pop it in. And let's have a listen. No. Okay, here we go.
Which was buried on the same day as this recording. I hope you found the box and its contents in good condition, as I have protected it from the soil with various forms of protection, including plastic, things like that. Inside the box, there should be various articles of information about this time, including this tape, which I hope you still have cassette recorders. I hope so, but you won't be able to hear this, but I'm sure there would be a way of getting around it so you'd be able to hear my voice and what I'm saying. One of the articles I've included in the capsule is a rather rough map of my house and surroundings. Over the years, it hasn't changed that much. Except we've added the raised gardens in the paved area, which are okay actually, but apart from that, nothing's really changed. On the reverse of the map, there's a rather rubbish sketch of the plan of our house, of my family's house, and you can see the various bedrooms and things, and my bedroom, which is in the corner on the first floor. I hope when you find this, the house and the grounds are still there and haven't been disturbed in any way, as I think this is a rather nice house. And I bet it is still there by the time we find it, because it's been standing here for quite a while now. Another thing I've included in the capsule is a letter that I wrote today about various things, about myself, my family, and what it would be like in the future. That's one thing I'll never know, what it would be like in the future in, say, 50, 100 years to come. 50 years maybe, but not 100, unless they find the secret to eternal life, but I doubt it.
Eternal life, brilliant.
That's the way it goes, I guess.
That's the way it goes, I guess.
Looking out to the spare bedroom window towards Grantham, I can see various back gardens that are in front of me, leading up to the old car garage. The old car garage was knocked down at the end of last year, and they're now rebuilding it, and work is still going on today. Now, in fact, I don't know whether you can hear the hammering in the background, but I doubt it, because this is like a rather poor tape recorder. Everything looks okay, really, towards Grantham. Can't see the church from here, no. Anyway, turning around looking at my bedroom, you can see the other gardens which are in front of the house. I believe when this house was built, hasn't changed. I don't think our house was just here when this was all fields, when it was just being built. Anyway, looking towards Barrowby now, you can't see Barrowby from here because the hedges and trees are in the way, but you can see the electric pylon directly in front of my window, which stands on the outside of Barrowby as you come up by the A52 over the A1 bridge. Looking close to the window now, I can see the road. Now this road has always been busy, I don't know, and well, it is quite busy now. I expect you can hear the traffic, it's quite loud.
Right, there you have it. We'll stop it
Quite
there
loud in here as well.
before you die of excitement. Yeah, so that is my time capsule of me when I was younger. Oh my word. Right, I hope you found this as fun as I have. Right, I'm going off to read the letter I wrote to myself 25 years ago. See you later. Bye-bye.